Alright, I've got a really nice Exmark Lazer Z S-Series 60-inch commercial big boy mower here. It's got the heavy-duty drives with the really big back tires and stance. It's a very fast mower. It's got your roll cage on top with the extra large cushiony seat. Deck is reinforced across the bottom here for even more strength than your regular fabricated decks. It's got your deck height adjustment with small increments for all your different yards. This was owned by a single owner residential, that's why it's so clean, and he just took care of his own property and maintained this thing, and recently upgraded to a brand new of the exact same model. So this has a 25 horsepower Kohler Command Pro electric fuel injected or EFI motor, and there's nothing wrong with this thing at all. It's got only 1,200 hours on it. I'll start it up and operate it. Oh, I guess you could say the only thing wrong with it is could not find the chute, which you can get another one, but it does not have the grass chute. Start it up for you. Fires right up. No smoke. No rattling. Nothing. I'll idle it down. This thing runs so smooth. Here's your hours. 1271. E-brake. Forward. Reverse. Left. Right. Blades. Super smooth blades and deck, no rattling, no extra noise, nothing like that. All you hear is the sound of those blades spinning. It's got a real high blade tip speed, very strong cutting power. And this thing can move. Got all the power in the world and all kinds of life left in it. Very, very nice machine. Idle it down again for you so you can hear it run real smooth. No smoke at all. This is ready to go to work for you at your house and last you forever, or make you a bunch of money.